If you want to start using the paid plan of Framer, you should click on the link in the description and use the promo code PARTNER25 Royally to get 25% off and 3 months for free. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom cursor in Framer. On your Framer, go to Asset and click Code. Input a file name. In this case, I'm going to use cursor. Now make sure it's selected to New Components, and you'll be redirecting to a sample code. Now delete it, and if you don't have any idea in programming, no worries, because you can use AI tools. You can ask ChatGPT and Gemini for a specific code you want to create. And that's it. That's how you add a custom cursor in Framer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.